Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Volkswagen Passat, and in this video I will show you where is the Volkswagen Passat starter motor relay. This car have a problem, no start, no crank. So I check first here. I didn't get any starter relay, and then what I do, remove starter relay wire and fix one wire with multimeter and check here, cause all relay are here. See, I remove everyone one by one. Okay, now I check. I will show you which one for starter relay. Here you can see one by one test. See, this one for starter. See, this one, that means here, this one, this is starter relay. Okay, this one, and this wire go from starter here, this one. Okay, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay.